Oh boy, what do you get? They're grip and stack blocks.
Grip and stack blocks.
Uh-oh, they're gonna...
Here. You go.
He wants to open it.
He does. It's big. Daddy will help. You ready? Oh, here they come. Watch out. Here they come. Here we go. Look.
Stack blocks. Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, it's got a little stack. He wants to eat it.
There you go. You stack